you doing?
I'm trying to arrange the chicken, but there's a lot, so I'm trying to do it fast. 5 or 400, and then
375.
For preheating. Bacon for the chicken fajitas? Yeah, chicken fajitas.
Hello, handsome.
Hello.
What are you doing?
How can I help you? That's in the, what's it called? Shrimps, tomatoes, habanero, onions, and I have the fresh avocado. I'm going to mix everything together.
Oh.
I'm having chicken fajitas.
Okay, so all this,
from Mexico.
all this still part of the fajita.
Yes,
Can't wait to.
we are going to, it's been a while we've done tortilla. Last time I did it, did you say thank you now?
Thank you.
So that's why it took a while
6
before.
or 4 years ago.
Next time I want to give you guys specialty. You have to say thank you, Daddy. Then I'll remember to bring it back. You know, you have to appreciate the special chef. It's not easy to be cooking all these special dishes.
Okay, I'll see.
Demi, I think that's fine. Let me see.
Okay, I'll see you when it's done.
All right. I think have you seen the bacon?
I'll keep giving you moral support.
Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. All right.
This is
Okay, it's almost there. It's almost there.
soon.
So what we're going to do, Sade, Demi, is we'll use the oil of the bacon to mix everything together, okay? So while you cut the bacon, I'll just kind of like mix the sauce together, nothing fancy. Then you cut the bacon like this. Put the fork down, then use knife to just cut into pieces, okay? Then I'll mix it together to become crunchy.
This
That's
is
all.
natural oil, right?
Yeah, that's the natural oil from the bacon. So, and the moment that is recorded, it needs to help us do the
What can
the
I
red
help?
lobster
What can I
cake.
help you with? Okay,
The
okay, I'll
red
do that.
lobster biscuits. So
I'll
while
do
you are
that. I
doing
got
the
you. I
cutting-
got you.
You got us. Dinner is almost time. It's almost dinner time when you are cutting us. The oil from the bacon, I'll use it to do the sauce. That's shrimp, habanero, tomatoes, and onions. Daddy loves onions a lot. Now, Shadi, for me, slap your mama and double. Shadi.
Wait, Daddy. Okay. Oh, yeah. I was going to say it's wedding. I was like, it's 375. What? It's 375.
Okay, yeah, put it inside. Open first. So when you put it inside, you might not need a glove. But when it's time to keep checking, you have to use gloves, okay? Because the pan will be hot, so you use this glove. Yeah? Good. How many minutes?
6.
Good. So press 6.
No, you're supposed to
sorry.
press the timer first.
Sorry.
Switch off. Oh, no. Oh.
Yeah, press timer. 6 minutes. Yeah, press timer on.
But you messed up the baking time.
We'll fix it. So off. Timer off. Bake. Okay. Yeah, press timer. Just press timer on. Yeah, press 6. Yeah, press OK. Press on. Timer on. Good. You see now? So that's for
Right.
6 minutes. Okay, so Shadi, I'll put a little bit of both.
1 done. And there's 3 more to go.
And I'll put a little bit of this one too. That's it. Okay?
Hey, Daddy, every minute check that.
No, no need to check every minute. It's gonna be ready in 5 to 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes you can check.
Okay, we are cooking the chicken. Demi's cutting the bacon. She only finished 1 or 2.
Oh, my second.
She's on her second one. And then Daddy is cutting the avocado and also cooked this soup. Well, stew.
The sauce.
The sauce.
The secret sauce.
That we will never see. Well,
Avocado.
but you know what it's made out of.
The good news is I actually got avocado fresh at Walmart. Normally we always buy the unripe one. But today I got a good one that you can eat immediately. So that's good.
Fresh.
See this thing though, that I always do easily. It's man not doing well on camera. It's well.
How do you cut avocado so perfectly, right?
Then you shake out, that thing should be ready by now. open it, be careful. You finished just in time. Good job.
I finished right when
yeah,
the
use
oven
your
started
2 hands.
beating. Sade. I finished
like
right when the
this?
oven
Oh.
started beating.
Good job. Careful.
Careful.
Dude,
Yeah, carry it like that.
this is so heavy for some reason. Before it was really heavy.
Some beans along with for the. You said it's called taco at the end, Abby. Tortilla.
Yes.
Okay, tortilla is the wrap, so this is the
Yeah,
final
tortilla is
product.
the wrap.
Taco. Okay.
Where's the tortilla?
We have some woro beans.
Where is the tortilla?
Tortilla is only in there. It's on the table. So, all right, mommy, do the
Okay.
cake.
Okay. See, look what I'm trying to do.
Tortillas,
Trying to do this
tortillas,
red lobster style biscuits. So I'm trying to do that.
tortillas,
I'm gonna bake them in this
tortillas.
into each.
Sade, Demi, that's on the food.
Bake them. And then
Sade, give me the glove. Or come and take it out. Let me see. We'll continue.
Daddy,
right here. Daddy, this good?
Let me see. Yeah, bring it up. Gently.
Careful.
Wait.
Tackle that.
I'm the taster.
Are you
Oh my
tasting it?
God,
careful.
it's ready. Someone has to taste it, you know.
Oh my god. How many times do you want to taste?
Sometimes I tasted the beginning, I have to taste the end, the top, and the bottom.
Oh my god.
It's good.
By the time you guys are done,
It's good now. Good job.
dinner will be so finished.
High five now.
I can't even get it off the floor.
Oh yeah, thank you. High five.
The tortilla expires exactly not 1 day, not 1 second.
You said it's expired? Is that what
Yeah,
you
it's
said?
gonna be expired 4 months.
4 days.
4 months after Demi's birthday. Exactly, not by a second late.
Oh, exactly. Oh, I get what you
Okay,
mean. No, it's
because
not 4, it's 3. 3 months, not 4.
No?
Yes.
Oh, never mind, you're right. I did it wrong.
How? I counted my birthday.
Enjoy.
Okay, we have the butter. I'm going to melt this one in the
That's also
microwave.
Smooth like butter, like undercover.
Yes.
Wait, what's... Is that melted butter?
Yes.
You're gonna put that on,
Melted butter.
you're gonna put that on the biscuits, right?
Yes, but I need to put this garlic sauce on it.
Garlic sauce. Garlic sauce.
It does look very garlicky.
Let me smell it. It smells like garlic. Garlic with
It
it.
smells like adobo.
Then you will smell the same smell as
So
us.
adobo smells like garlic.
Okay. Red lobster biscuits is getting ready.
Demi is your calendar.
Mommy and
See how you are doing your tortilla.
I think it looks good. What do you think?
How is it to make
With the butter and garlic sauce.
just to make this?
Yum.
On top that one. Good job. Good job.
I did one.
Wow.
Everybody, I have an announcement to make. I know that I'm not first and Daddy is first, so hooray, Daddy is first again. But I'm happy. I am not last. I am so close. I am third. And the girl who is last, I see Daddy, Mom,
Who is last? I think Demi is the last.
Sade, and now Demi. Try to hurry up.
No, stop, pause all of this.
And now,
No,
we have to
no,
hurry this
no.
up before she comes up. Bye-bye.
No. No. Because Sade's plate, her area is not clean. You see her right now? Her area is not clean. And
Let me inspect.
On the
Oh, you
I already
didn't,
did.
actually position you. See, you didn't position your mats the right way.
I did it.
So,
I already did it.
I did it first.
No, I did it first.
Ultimate battle.
I'm three.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, they don't know.
No!
so who is the last now? Who is the last? She's going to cry, yo. You know, Sade.
And my belly's full.
Okay, enough. Enough.
I'm third. No, I'm third. Who's first?
But we leave it in one position battle.
Okay, yeah. Go on,
Thank
bed.
you.
Okay, good night. Good night. Thank you.
Good night,
Gracias. Gracias. Obrigado. Siaponga. What language that is, though? Good night. Thank you.